Meaning of flagrantly.
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 Flagrantly. Flagrantly means to act in a way that is obviously offensive or illegal. When someone behaves flagrantly, they show a complete disregard for rules or societal norms. This can result in various consequences, such as legal repercussions or social ostracization. For example, if someone flagrantly violates traffic laws by speeding and running red lights, they are likely to receive tickets or perhaps even have their license revoked. Similarly, if a public figure flagrantly violates ethical principles, they may face public condemnation or loss of support from their followers.